62 T-Bird, 90 bucks. NOS 55 Willis wagon. Asking $375. We got rust-free piece. That's great. Where are you going to find this stuff? Come on. $150 a pair for those Michelin radials. What are they? Oh, come on. 19.5. 8R 19.5s. Nice truck tires. Get so much stuff. Let's keep going, folks. Look at this bug-eye nose. Wow. It's got its wrinkles, but at least she's not rusted out. Gotta ask, see how much. How much are you asking for the bug-eye nose?
$1,400.
$1,400, not bad. Not bad. That is cool. Definitely. I mean, that's what's funny with Carlisle. You will find such unusual stuff. $265 for that visor. Looks like a Jeep hood. Doesn't have a price on it. Tons of toy cars. You'll go nuts over the toy cars over here. $1 a piece. All sorts of cool and wonderful stuff. More mannequins, records. Need a sunroof. Oh, fantastic. FE heads, valve covers, great stuff. And that we could have used earlier. Let's continue on. Caps, $35 a piece, 15 on the small ones over there. Just trying to capture some of the Mustang 2 over there, the grills. Those are tough to get. Just don't see them. $50 a piece. 70 for that one. Nova Chevelle, $25. Pontiac, look at that front bumper. Oh, it's gorgeous. $50 on the Spotlight. Doesn't have anything else. $30 on the Mustang. Pinball Posse for $550. Doesn't say what it is. It's taking offers. 3-speed, $250. I don't know if I'm gonna replace the tranny. I'm putting at least 4-speed. That's a big ruckus for $4,500. What year is this puppy? 73 for $3,800. Honda for $2,100. This is the 70 Deluxe. Honda Passport. That's nice. Another one over here. Better shape. How you doing? For $58. Nope. Sold. Staying warm?
I found this up in here.
Perfect.
Yeah, feels better.
This looks like a dream.
Hard to try to hide from the cold.
Sold, $850. That's a Honda 150. This is a dream, isn't it? Thought so. That's cool.
305 or something. There's a new guy's got one up by the grandstand.
Yeah.
Red one, you see it?
No, not yet.
Where you put the cars up there.
Yeah.
The club or something's got one going where you got a red one.
Oh, they're beautiful. Except for it's a 150, so Thank you. Oh, enjoy. Stay warm. Let's continue on.